here to discuss about null and alternative hypothesis. So, kapag null is meron tayo ditong may encounter na words para ma-determine kung null hypothesis ba siya or alternative hypothesis. So, kapag equal na null hypothesis is ang mga words na may encounter nyo is equal to, the same as, not change from, and is. So, sa alternative hypothesis naman is not equal to. Not equal to, different from, change from, not the same as. Tapos sa side naman na less is, ay sa greater, is greater than, above, higher than, longer than, bigger than, increase, at least. So sa less than naman na sign is less than, below, lower than, smaller than, shorter than, decrease of, reduce from, at least, at most. So, dito sa example number 1 natin is, the average age of bus drivers in Metro Manila is 38 years. So, as you can see, merong words na is dito. So, ang gagamitin natin is null hypothesis. So, ang magiging ano nga dito is HO. Ang sagot, HO equal 38 years. Sa alternative naman, so magiging kabaliktaran niya lang to. Magiging not equal. Ganyan na siya kadali. And then, mag-proceed na tayo sa example number 2. The average number of calories of a low calories meal is at most 300 calories. So, as you can see, may at most dito. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin natin is less than. Calories. And sa ano is HA less than mali. Yung parang may nabagay yung less than 300 calories. So, ayan. So, dito naman sa example number 3 is, isusulat natin yung sagot in words at saka in symbol. So, ang example number 3 is, the school records claims that the mean score in math of the incoming grade 11 student is 81. The teacher wishes to find out if the claims is true. So, as you can see, merong is na naman dito. So, ang dito is equal. So, isusulat natin siya in words. So, kukopya na lang natin yung the mean score in math of incoming grade 11 student is 81. Kukopya na natin siya sa in words. The mean score in So, sa alternative naman is, kabalik na lang siya ng null. So, magiging is not equal. Is not. dito sa alternative is dinagdagan lang natin siya ng not. So, next naman is sa symbol naman tayo. So, ang gagawin natin sa symbol is HO equal to EK1. And is not equal. So, yan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something new for today's lesson.